summary of this chapter. So in here, what I'm going to do, I will do the summarization part with you, and I will explain the answers for the specific questions. So when we go through with the summary of the first chapter of your grade 10, the main substance that form living body are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. They are known as biomolecules. Belong to living matter. It means the main organic compounds that found in living matter, we call it as biomolecules. There are 4 main biomolecules. They are carbohydrate, protein, lipids, and nucleic acid. And you have to remember the elements, basic elements of this. Carbohydrate include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Protein include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Lipids include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, but the difference between carbohydrate and lipids are lipid has less amount of oxygen than carbohydrates. When we come to the nucleic acid, it has carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. There are 5 essential elements. And when we come to the starting points or the basic points of each biomolecule, for the carbohydrate, the basic saccharides. For the proteins, the basic molecules are amino acids. For the lipids, the basic molecules are fatty acids and glycerols. For the nucleic acid, the basic molecules are nucleotides. That is it. Then after, we have to go through with identification test as well as the functions of each materials. Basically, carbohydrate, they are energy source, functional ingredients of the cell wall, and the formation of nucleic acid. Those things are the most common important. Proteins also, there are a lot of basically energy source and cell constituent, as well as hormones, vitamins, there are a lot. Lipids are also same. It is energy source and functional ingredient important in the production of different cellular basically plasma membrane and things. And hormones also, and it helps to maintain a constant body temperature, to reduce the removal of liquid from the body or the water from the body. And when you come to the nucleic acid, the importance is basically transforming the nucleic properties or the hereditary properties from one generation to another generation. DNA and RNA are the base. That's it. Then after, we have to go through with specific properties. So this is the thing, okay? So now I'm explaining the whole summary or the summary of this chapter. So I teach you it, and now I'm giving the quick summary for you to understand what are the things that we have gone through. When we going through the identification test, for the carbohydrate, 3 tests are there. Starch test, glucose test, and sucrose test. For the lipid, it has only 1 test. It is Sudan 3. For the protein, it is biurate test. And for the nucleic acid, there is no any specific test to identify nucleic acids. Okay, that's it. Then when we are going to the summary, next one, beside organic compounds, inorganic compounds such as water, mineral, salts are also and gases also there plays an important role in living systems. The main elements of food in biomolecules are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And when we categorize them according to the way what will happen? Oxygen comes first, then carbon, then hydrogen, and then finally nitrogen. Those are the ways. Okay, when we come to that specific one, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen, the percentages are oxygen 65, carbon 18, hydrogen 10, and nitrogen, it is only 3%. Okay. The proteins that catalyzed biochemical reactions are known as enzymes. It means almost all the enzymes are part of proteins. Although minerals and vitamins are indeed needed in small amounts, they are deficient in supply. If in supply, the organism show deficient symptoms. That is the whole thing that we learned today. Okay, about the vitamins, the minerals, their importance, their structure, and what are the things that we have to face if we are not taking the enough amounts of those minerals and vitamins. The specific properties of water are highly important in maintenance of our life. That is the thing that they have mentioned finally. Yeah. So now we have to go through with the exercises. First of all, they have given you MCQs. So try to do, no need to write the summary. So the summary that I have done, It is to showcase, it is quickly to cover up you the chapter. And let's see, go with the exercises one by one. It's up to you. Just read it through, or I will give you 2 minutes to complete it. First of all, okay, try to read it and try to complete it within 2 minutes. Then after I will start to discuss them with you. Try to complete it.
Sir, I'm already done.
Already done. Very good. So let's see, discuss it. Read the first one.
The food that contains highest amount of starch is potato.
Highest amount of starch. Your answer is potato. Yeah, that is the correct one. What are the other answers? Read the others also.
Peanut, cucumber, goticolaba.
Yeah, peanut. What do you think? What is the food? What is the thing now? What is the thing that include in peanut? It is basically lipids. Write down that also. Peanut include lipids. Peanuts. Your answer is correct. Okay, potato include higher amount of starch. Potato, tomato, it include. Basically potato and different types of yams, flour. Okay, wheat flour also. Peanut, it is fat. It means fat basically. When you come to the cucumber and goticolaba, they include comparatively high amount in vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. So focus on that also, though. Okay, you have already given answer for correctly, and try out what are the other answers. What are the things that it include? Okay, think in that way. Then you can easily study and understand the properties and the ongoing process. Good. Let's go with the question number 2.
Which belongs to monosaccharide? Fructose.
Monosaccharide. What is your answer, Daru? Answer number?
Fructose.
Fructose. Okay, fructose. Answer number 1. It is a monosaccharide. So what about sucrose, maltose, and lactose? They are. What are they? Sucrose, maltose, and lactose are disaccharides. They are disaccharides. What are the examples for polysaccharides? What are the examples for polysaccharides? Starch.
Starch. Cellulose.
Cellulose.
Glycogen.
Glycogen. Very good. Very good. Third one. Go with the third one.
A carbohydrate specially found in plants say cellulose.
Yeah. Basically, the carbohydrate specially found in plant is cellulose. You can see cellulose in the plant cell walls. Other than that, they have given glycogen, lactose, and cutin. Cutin, yeah, I just explained those things also for you. Glycogen, Daru, it is also a polysaccharide. Lactose, it is a disaccharide. Cutin also polysaccharide. It is a specific type of polysaccharide. Cellulose also. Glycogen we can't see in plants. It is only found in animals. In animals, basically tissues and muscles, we can see glycogen, and it is stored in animals. Stored in form or stored in agent in animals. The energy is stored in agent. Lactose, it is found in animals. Basically in cow's milk we can find lactose. And when you come to the cutin, it is found in 2 types of organisms. First one, arthropoda. It means the ones who have different types of specific capacities, and their body is covered with this cutin layer. Other than that, in microorganisms also, the small organisms, you can find cutin. Good. Fourth one.
A vitamin that helps in blood clotting is fourth answer, vitamin K.
Vitamin K. So as we explained, the answer is number 4, vitamin A. So you have to remember the importance of vitamin A, D, C, and K all. But for the blood clotting purpose, is vitamin K. Good. Fifth.
Not an organic compound present in living body. Second answer, water.
Water, very good. Water is an inorganic compound. So all the other compounds, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, vitamins, those are organic compounds. What are the inorganic compounds? Basically gases, then water, then carbonates, bicarbonates, then carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Okay, those are inorganic compounds. Minerals, also inorganic. 6 are.
An advantage of containing fibers in food is third answer, helps control blood sugar level.
That is also correct, Dharu. But when we go through the other answers, lower the risk in cancer in large intestine. Putha, in here, we are not learning about the fibers. Okay, in this chapter, we are not focusing on fibers, but fibers also a part of our meal. Okay, when we consider our meal, what are the main functions, main things that we want to include in our meal? Carbohydrate, protein, lipid, okay, water, minerals, vitamin, those are the things. So when we go through the fiber Dharu, it has the ability to mitigate or minimize the risk of cancers. That's why they have explained low risk in cancers in large intestine. It is a one function of fiber. The prevent constipation also another function of fiber. Your answer is also correct. Helps and control blood sugar levels, correct. But the final and correct answer is all above, because from the fiber we can minimize the cancers, we can prevent constipation, and it helps to maintain a specific or the correct blood glucose level. Good. Answer is number 4. Okay, let's see go through with the question number 3. Just read it.
Below mentioned deficiency symptoms were identified at the healthy clinic conducted for grade 6 students in a particular school. Identify the relevant vitamin for the deficiency symptoms. First one is weaknesses in eyesight and bitter patches in eyes, vitamin A.
Very good.
Second one, weaknesses in growth of teeth and tooth delay, vitamin E.
Vitamin
E.
E. Yeah. Basically, when we analyze, when we know the importance of it, Dharu, yeah, it is grade 11. Yeah, where is our PDF? Yeah. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, no, it is visible. Yeah, the one that they are asking is here. The question: weakness in growth of teeth and tooth decay. Tooth decay. Tooth decay. What is it? Basically, what is your answer, Dharu?
Vitamin E.
E. Okay, so when we go through vitamin E, growth of tissues and cells. Okay, weaken in cell division, weaken in respiration, increase the rate of breaking downs of red blood cells, premature births. Premature births. So when we go through vitamin C, Dharu, it is to keep skin healthy, to form firm enamel, to synthesize collagen fibers. Enamel, it means for the functions of enamel, we need this vitamin C. That is the thing that they are focusing. Okay, here they are asking weakening the growth of teeth and tooth decay. For the tooth decay, mainly it is done on this basics. Okay, so we can go through with the vitamin C, Dharu, rather than vitamin E, but because in vitamin E they have not mentioned anything about tooth decay, okay, or related that. With the answers that we have to go with the answer number 3. Okay, weakening of the gum. Because here, this is also explained, weakening of the gum. So as they ask, okay, here, weakening the growth of teeth and tooth decay. Weakening of the gum also a property of that, also caused by that. In internal bleedings, decay, delay, destroy of diseases, and scurvy disease. Okay, good. Next one, Danu. Calcium also important.
Bleeding gum.
Yeah, for the second one, calcium also important. Yeah, third one, bleeding gum. What is your answer?
Vitamin C.
Correct. Fourth one.
The fourth one is I don't know the answer.
Yeah, wound at the end of the mouth. At the end of the mouth, what is it? Wounds at the end of the mouth. Vitamin B, let's see. Anemia, darkness, changes in the complexion. Vitamin B, Buddha, there are two types now. Vitamin B is the second one. Okay. So if we are not taking the enough or the sufficient amount of vitamin B, we have to suffer with it. Okay, vitamin B. Okay, that is it. It is yeah, mutation, maintains of very anemia, changes in complex, reduction of antibody production. So the answer for that is answer number. It is answer is vitamin B. B2. It is a function of vitamin B2. Next one, Danu.
Anemia, vitamin B.
Vitamin B, yeah, anemia, vitamin B is also mentioned here, no? Vitamin B, anemia. Yeah, that's it. We went through the exercises. Then, Daru, we have to start with the new chapter. Write the topic, Daru, motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. So here, there is another important thing that I want to clarify you, though. Basically, with the chapters that we have done, I already uploaded them to my YouTube channel. So the thing is, Daru, it is in Sinhala medium. So the thing that you can do is, here I have mentioned the short notes. Okay, this is a paper discussion, and there is a short note that I have created based on the laws and theories, based on the scientists and their applications. So they are in both forms. Okay, see, most of them are in Sinhala, but there are Sinhala videos as well as English videos. From that, you can easily understand the themes. Okay, paper discussion is normal thing that you can understand those. And we will do some more papers with you after completing all the theories. So when you feel free, Daru, just read and understand. Okay, not only that, not only the theory, but also the things that important for your mind setting. Prepare a timetable for a day. How to minimize your pressure, how to maintain your flexibility, how to maintain your time well, take the good use of time. Those things have, most of the students ask those things from me in the classes. So I have given them the answers from my own, as well as the answers that I have taken from the students who take good results with me. So they are already included for this. These days I work hard for this because I'm not doing only classes, university studies, as well as I'm doing a job right now. While doing that, I'm now teaching for my students. So extra classes, individual classes also doing. So I'm fed up with the activities, but I will allocate myself. I work hard for you guys because I need good results from your set. So this is the highest batch this time they're facing for exam in my sense. So almost all of them are individual class students. Okay. For the grade 10 and 11, I already started the group class, but it is not for your batch, Daru. So you guys are facing for the exam this May. So for the next year, I have a batch for the group classes also. So if you have time, definitely come for those classes. For my individual class students, I'm not taking any rupee from them for participating on the group classes. So if you have the time, if you have the free time, take advantage of that also. Work hard for yourself, Daru, because this is the golden time of your life. Okay, so you don't take a vacation this after. So don't waste your time. You have to focus on not only science, but also almost all the subjects that you are facing for the exams. And you have to mainly focus what are the weak subjects. Try your best. Okay, don't think about your past. I haven't done anything. No, it's okay. If you have done, if you have worked hard for that, it's okay. If you didn't do, it's also okay, because we can't change our past. It's already done. Okay, it is done and dusted. But the thing is, you can change your present, this second, next day. You have more than 1 month for your exam. Work hard for you. It is not for anyone else. So I can motivate you, I can guide you, I can help you in my side, but I can't write the paper for you. Writing the paper, writing for the exam is your task. It is not my task. Okay, that's why I already want to help you, guide you, motivate you for your success. So success, all successful stories don't start from the beginning, but if they are able to understand their mistakes, their weaknesses, and if they are able to overcome that weaknesses by their own, by understanding the reality, that is the point, Daru. Now work hard for yourself. You have a good motivation, you have a good intention, you are working hard. When I work with you, I can see the motivation that inside you, that capacity, and try to build it up, try to work hard for it. If you manage this next few weeks, next 2 to 3 weeks harder, okay, you have to give more than you expect. Work hard for that. Prepare a timetable, work according to that, manage your classes in well manner. Honestly, work hard. Don't need to showcase anyone, don't need to tell anyone. Work for yourself. It is your future, not anyone else. Your parents will be there when you success, as well as when you fail. Okay, sometimes we will fast, we will success in our life, sometimes we will not. Both can happen. Our parents will be with us in our failures as well as in our success, but others are not. Okay, don't expect anything from others. Okay, so work hard for yourself. This is your life. So your parents, your teachers, always they want to see the success from you, success behind you. So in my sense, I will try my best. I will guide you, I will motivate you, I will focus you on. So you have the responsibility to understand, you have the responsibility to work hard for yourself, because each and every week I have the ability to work with you only few hours, but you are working for your own throughout the week, throughout the day, throughout the 24 hours. So it's up to you. You are the one. When you take a good result for you, all of it is for you. You are maintaining your future, you are brightening your future. So work hard for it, try your best to take the best result, and maximize your time. And good luck till we meet the next day. Okay, have a nice day. Good luck for you also.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. ඔගොල්ලෝ මේ ගමන සාමාන්‍ය පෙළ විභාගයට මාස පෙනී සිටීමට උත්සාහ කරනවා නම් පෙනී සිටීම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තුර ලොකු ප්‍රශ්න ඇති නේද? පාඩම් කරන්නේ කොහොමද? කම්මැලි, අමතක වෙනවා, මයින්ඩ් එක කොහොමද ෆෝකස් එකේ තියාගන්නේ? හරි ස්ට්‍රෙස්, ස්ට්‍රෙස් එක මැනේජ් කරන්න කොහොමද මම මේ පාඩම් කරන දේ කොහොමද දීර්ඝව කාලයක් මතක තියාගන්න විභාග ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රවලට උත්තර දෙන්නේ කොහොමද වගේ ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩාක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තුල ඇති. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා මම මගේ YouTube නාලිකාව හරහා වීඩියෝ මාලාවක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගෙනත් දෙනවා මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට ඔයගොල්ලෝ කොහොමද මුහුණ දෙන්න ඕනේ. දරුවන් හැටියට මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලින් ඕවර්කම් කරන්න ඒගොල්ලෝ මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට පිළිතුරු සපයා ගන්න කොහොමද කියලා වීඩියෝ මාලාවක් අපේ YouTube නාලිකාවෙන් අපි ගෙනත් දීලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් රැඳෙන්න එකතු වෙන්න අපේ YouTube නාලිකාවත් සමග ඔබගේ යාළුවන්ටත් මේක ෂෙයා කරන්න ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩාක් වැදගත් වෙයි. වැදගත් විදිහට පිළිවෙලින් අපගේ වීඩියෝ අපි නිපදවලා තියෙනවා. ඒවා නිවැරදිව ක්‍රමවත්ව ගොඩනගලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒවා ඕගොල්ලෝ බලන්න බලලා ඔයාගේ යාළුවන්ට ෂෙයා කරලා මේ අත්දැකීම මේ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එක අනිත් අයට ලබා දෙන්න. ස්තුතියි අපි එක එකතු වුණාට ඉදිරියට අපිත් සමගම රැඳී සිටී කියලා ආරාධනා කරනවා. ස්තුතියි. අපි